Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I thought we could do another cleaning video. We're just starting out in my laundry room. I'm gonna start some laundry. I was sick a few days in a row, so my house kind of turned into a war zone and the laundry piled up everywhere. If you guys like this video while you're watching, please subscribe to my channel. We're doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I will link it down below. So this is my master bedroom in my house. There's boxes in the floor from where I'm still unpacking random stuff, and I'm just putting up those few little clothes that were on the dryer. I have a bench at the foot of my bed, and it is a really bad spot because I always end up throwing shirts and clothes that I've tried on but didn't wear down there, so I'm just refolding all of those clothes or putting them in my little hang-up pile I have going. So now we're into my kitchen, where you can see that everything's piled up. Both of my sinks are completely filled with dirty dishes, so I'm just going to empty my dishwasher really quick and then reload it. I really need to start on my kitchen remodel. I'm putting different backsplash up, redoing my countertops, and painting my cabinets. I really need to start it. Just going to mention again, that little dishwasher cage is the best invention ever if you have a baby that uses a lot of bottles. Now that everything is emptied, I'm just going to go put up all these dishes, and I'll be right back to reload my dishwasher. And Beebs is in this video, and I couldn't get that bottle undone because he screws it on so tight, so he came to the rescue. So let's start playing a game of how many times I reopen this dishwasher to put more stuff in it, because here's one to add more pacifiers I found. I'm just quickly hand washing this skillet because it's way too big for my dishwasher. I found another pacifier, so that's number 2 on reopening the dishwasher. And number 3, to add some more stuff I found over on the other side of my counter and on my stove. Now I think I finally have everything that's supposed to be in that dishwasher in and loaded, so now we're moving on to wiping off all of my counters. Oh, I lied. I'm sorry. We're going to make Ellie a pitcher of formula really quick. This is by Baby Breeza, and it's just a little formula mixer pitcher. I don't know really what you'd call it. You can make 28 ounces of formula at once in it, and it mixes it all up for you, and then I just put it in the refrigerator and reheat it in a bottle when she needs to eat. Okay, now I'm gonna start wiping down all my counters. And here in just a second, you'll see me ask James, why do I put this little tray down on the counter if all he does is throw all his stuff on the other side of it? So I'm just putting all of his stuff from his pockets at work into that little tray and finishing wiping down everything. Seriously, if anybody in this entire world knows a way to hide all these cords that are in this corner, I'd super appreciate you and love you forever, because it looks terrible. My stove is also a hot mess. It's covered in grease and random drops of food that have flown out of pots and pans while I'm cooking. And now I'm just wiping off the last little piece of my counter. This is the section that gets the dirtiest because this is where I do all of the prep for every meal we eat. And I almost threw an entire basket of medicine down off of my microwave, but I caught it. So now I'm just going to sweep up my kitchen floor really quickly. I'm not sweeping and mopping my entire house. I'm just sweeping and mopping here in my kitchen in this one little area because this is where the floor gets the nastiest from all the food falling everywhere. The little mop I use is not a Swiffer, it's by Mr. Clean, and I like these better than Swiffers because you can remove the pad when you're done and just wash it and reuse it. So it's cheaper in the long run and it's better for the environment. So now we're into the living room and James is playing his video game before he goes to work. So I'm just going to clean around him. I actually make him move here in just a second. I had just got done editing my July favorites video, so that is my basket full of the favorites so that I could link them all in the description box down below. Feel free to go watch that video if you guys want. I'm kicking him off of the couch and into the recliner so I can straighten all the pillows and get everything situated. If you're wondering why my pillows are always in the floor, my daughter Ellie sits on that little mat and plays, and I'm always scared she's going to fall back onto our hardwood floors and hurt herself, so I put pillows around her so if she falls backwards, she doesn't hit the floor. That is my bag for work. It just has a bunch of shampoo and body wash in it for my residence, so I'm just going to leave that on the couch for the next time I go to work. There's always a million toys all over my floor, so I'm just straightening that up and picking up this mat so that I can vacuum. And then I noticed that there was puke in my floor from, I guess, Ellie throwing up and spitting up everywhere. And so now I'm going to clean that up really quickly. This rug that's in my living room is literally the most expensive thing in my house that wasn't like a piece of furniture, so trying really hard not to destroy it, so we had to scrub all that puke off. Now I'm just dusting the entertainment center. I'm pretty sure James is playing Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, he said yeah, so he's playing Grand Theft Auto on the TV if you're wondering what he's doing. I'm just dusting the entertainment center off really quick, and now I have the vacuum out, and we're gonna vacuum this rug. If you watched my first cleaning video, then you heard me say that we live quite a bit off of the road, like quite a ways back off the road, so we walk through grass and everything. So as soon as we come in, it doesn't matter if we take our shoes off at the door or not, somehow grass and lint and hair and everything else gets on this rug, and from where it's such a bright, vibrant color, it shows up really bad, so it gets vacuumed almost daily. I know there's an immense amount of shoes by my door. They're mostly mine, but I really need to go put them in our closet on our shoe rack. It's just, I've had a really long past like week or two. So normally when I get home, we don't wear shoes in the house, so they all just pile up by the door, and then I put them on our shoe rack in our closet. Now I'm asking James if he cares to empty the vacuum cleaner canister for me really quickly, which he does because he loves me. I'm also asking him if he cares to vacuum up that pile that I swept out of the kitchen floor. And now, just like as a bonus, because I was going to go ahead and make myself a cup of iced coffee, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I just fill up a Yeti cup or my Central Perk cup with ice. And then this is the iced coffee I use. They have it in like unflavored vanilla, and then they have it in caramel. It says to do half and half of the coffee and creamer, but I do mostly coffee and a little bit of creamer. I use the almond creamer, and then this is my Jeffree Star metal straw that I got in my mystery box, so yep, it's delicious like always. And here's the final view. I'm so happy I got to film this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers, and you guys can also follow me on Instagram. It's linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.